Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to mute notifications sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here you get the ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute your notification sound, swipe here to the left side this blue dot with your finger, and that's it. But by this way you will mute not only your notification sound, as you will also mute your ringtone. So I suggest you just to do it by the another way. Just go here to the advanced options, and here you'll see the default notification sound. Just tap there and switch your notification sound to the, for example, just to the none, and just confirm by tap to OK. And by this way you can mute only your notification sound. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.